Maria was a nurse at the city hospital. She worked very hard every day, but the night shifts were the most difficult. One night she worked for more than 12 hours. She helped many patients, comforted worried families, and walked from room to room without rest. When her shift finally ended in the morning, she felt very tired. Her feet hurt, her eyes felt heavy, and she just wanted something warm to drink. Maria walked to a small cafe near the hospital. She often went there after work because the place was quiet and peaceful. When she opened the door, she smelled fresh coffee, and it made her feel a little better. She waited in line and thought about getting a hot cup of coffee to relax. When it was her turn, the barista smiled and said, "Good morning. Your coffee is already paid for." Maria looked confused. "Paid? By who?" she asked. The barista pointed to a small note on the counter. It said, "For your service. Thank you for taking care of people." Maria felt her eyes fill with tears. She looked around the cafe, but she didn't know who left the note. The person had already gone. She held the warm cup in her hands and sat down by the window. As she drank her coffee slowly, she felt something change inside her. She felt lighter, happier, and appreciated. She had spent many nights helping others, but today someone helped her, even though they didn't know her name. On her way home, Maria smiled at strangers. She felt inspired to continue her work with even more kindness. Sometimes, she thought, one small act can make a tired heart feel warm again.